Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a case for your Galaxy Z Fold 4. Before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have the Spigen Tough Armor case for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. I've been getting a lot of requests to review this because I did the Slim Armor review a couple videos ago. So if y'all want to check out that video, I'll have the links in the description. We're going to check out and make sure everything fits well. How does everything line up? Can you wireless charge? But I want to see the big difference between this case here and the Tough Armor one. I did not use this case for my Z Fold 3, so I'm actually kind of new to it, but let's get into it. Nice presentation from them. Again, if y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so right there. I will have the links in the description. So you do get some extra grip or adhesive sticks, whatever you want to call it. You get this little noiseless smart auto clamping. So here's the case itself. Getting some branding in there, that little logo, something you want. So what I'm gonna do is normally I don't try to pull up these tabs, because I really don't want to lose them, but I'm gonna pull off some of them just to make sure that the case fits pretty good while I'm reviewing it. And then I have extra ones I can use if I ever have to take it off. So now this one compared to the Slim, look at the camera hump is a little bit different. And then this one, this hinge is not the same. I don't know, that's like another case I've reviewed from UAG. But it does have some brand in there. I just don't know how long these things will last. You know, I'm scared that I'm gonna break it or something. But let's try it out before we judge. We haven't even gotten the phone in there yet. Can't judge yet. I'm gonna make sure the phone is in there. Alright, so I got the case on there. What y'all think about it? It has the open power button, the vinyl rockers. You have some brand in there. The holes line up here. Again, you have the little hinge protection. Everything lines at the top. Do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. I mean, you definitely do. Look at that. Does it rock when you lay it down? Nope. Do you get lip action too? Yes, you do. Now let's check out the hinge. That worked pretty good. It just feels different than, say, that Tough Armor one, but when you open it up, it doesn't have, you know, anything to hold on to. It's not sticking up like the other one. That's not bad looking though. Now, will this wear out or tear, you know, after using it for so long? I guess we will answer that question in a later video. But you just want to be careful when you open it, because it does seem like the case wants to pop open and pop off. The power button looks good. This is how it looks when it's open this way. So you do get some, you know, you can lay it down without worrying about scratching up your 7.6 inch display too. This one is cheaper than the Slim Armor. I don't know, which one do y'all think y'all will like better? This design or the one piece design? Y'all let me know. I'll definitely come back and see if I have any updates with this video and see if this hinge actually, you know, can take the wear and tear of me opening and closing it. But overall, I do like this case. Look, you do have some Spigen logo there, branding. But Let's see if you can wireless charge. And yes, you can wireless charge with the case on there, no problem at all. Again, if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Fords Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.